Hey everyone, this time I'm going to show you exactly how you can lock the exposure whenever you're taking a video, photo, whatever it is. How can you lock the exposure on the iPhone? Of course, everything's going to take place in the default camera. I'll talk about some other options towards the end of the video, but at first open up the camera like this. And you can see that right now I am inside of the video mode, but I can go to the slow motion or time lapse. It does not really matter if I'm in the photo or video. But let's say I'm in a photo. In case you want to lock the exposure, for example, you can see if it goes in here, everything is like in a normal exposure because it's adjusted normally. Like whenever I just look at my table or outside, it does not matter. But let's say that I just hold down on the building, I can click on it, but not only click, but I actually hold down on it for a few seconds. The AE/AF lock is gonna open up or like show up at the top. Right now, when I come back to my other stuff, you can see the table right here. It doesn't adjust the exposure, so it's locked based on the outside world. So that's really nice, or something that we wanted to achieve, right? So that's very useful. But as I already say, it's not only just the exposure. You can see that it is AE/AF lock. That means that auto exposure as well as autofocus is locked. So two things. When I locked the exposure on the outside building, not only the exposure is locked, also the focus is locked. Right now, when I look closer to my computer, you can see right here that it's just blurry because the focus is on the outside world somewhere in the distance. So yeah, this is something to pay attention to because you cannot really separate it. Also, when it comes to the video, the same stuff, you can hold down on it like this. It focuses on it. When it comes to slow motion, same stuff again in the time lapse, very same stuff going on. So it doesn't matter which part or where exactly you happen to be in the camera, but that's how it works. But as I talked about it in the beginning, you perhaps may be interested in decoupling the exposure from the focus. So perhaps you want to lock the exposure from outside and focus on something on the inside, or you perhaps don't want to have it together. For this, you will need to have some kind of third-party camera app. I like this one, for example, because it has so many different options to pick from. You can purchase it for $10, so it's not for free, of course, but yeah, I'm not affiliated with them. But you have manual control, so you can manually adjust the exposure, shutter speed, ISO, focus, white balance, all the stuff which automatically just gets turned on or adjusted inside of the iPhone built-in camera. So definitely something that you may be interested in case you are looking for this kind of, or have this kind of problem. So this is something that I wanted to show you. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Foxtech, and also don't forget to check out the Foxtech educational platform, which you can join for free. It's going to be linked down below as well. So yeah, inside you can join to watch some free video editing courses and in-depth iPhone guides and so much stuff which you can watch for free. So go ahead and check it out. For now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the future.